Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, May 1st, 2009. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 41 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Okay, we got into a pre-market half gap trade this morning according to our plan rules, and that did go down and fill the half gap right after the open, which was 869.75. We went down and filled the 67.50 gap. That produced half gap, I'm sorry, that produced 13 ES ticks. So that was our first trade of the morning. And we continued down and actually filled the entire gap, came within a tick of yesterday's lows. We received a bounce. On that bounce, we came back up through the half gap, pulled back to the half gap, got a signal to go long, and that did produce targets 1, and it did follow through to target 2, but by the plan we got stopped out for the second contract, so we lost 2 ticks. Although in the room we talked about taking your profit prior to the opening price because we figured that would act as resistance. So depending on how you played that, you probably captured some ticks there, but according to the plan rules and going for target 2 was not reached before the stop out, so that was a 2-tick loss. We then traded to the downside, got a reaction again off the gap close, got a pullback, got a signal to go short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks. Traded down to yesterday's lows, traded through the overnight session lows, came back up, traded around those for a little bit. At 10:30 we started getting a move to the upside. We actually got an extension play and got an opportunity to get into a long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside again for 11 ticks as we traded through that opening price. You can see how the opening price did old resistance act that just new support and provided a catalyst for a continued move to the upside. We got up to our pivot and basically traded sideways around the pivot going into our lunchtime dead zone at 11:30, whereas junkies we do not trade. We got a reaction to the downside a little bit, just basically chopped in that dead zone. So there was a longer term play during that dead zone that was a long signal, but again, that was more for a swing trade setup, not a setup to our plan. Coming into the 2 o'clock hour, we got a move to the downside. We got a signal to go short at the overnight session highs. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 additional ticks. So all in all, a great day. We had 5 trades for 41 ES ticks, and that does include the pre-market trade. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.